Our Module 11, 12, 13 review homework. Question number 1 says, Danny is going to put his shoes away in pairs. He has 10 shoes. How many pairs of shoes does Danny put away? Danny is going to put his shoes away in pairs. And I know pairs means groups of 2. He has 10 shoes. How many pairs does Danny put away? So pairs are groups of 2. We're going to take our 10 shoes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to make pairs. He took 10 shoes and divided them into groups of 2, and there are 5 pairs, or 5 groups of 2. Question number 2. Sandy bakes 18 pies. She keeps 2 of the pies. She sells the rest of the pies to 4 people at a bake sale. If each person buys the same number of pies, how many pies does Sandy sell to each person? Sandy bakes 18 pies. She keeps 2 of the pies. She sells, that's an important word, sells the rest of the pies to 4 people at a bake sale. If each person buys the same number of pies, how many pies does Sandy sell to each person? So we start with 18 pies. And she's going to keep 2 of them for herself. So we have 18 pies minus 2 pies. Now we're down to 16 pies. She sells the rest of them to 4 people at a bake sale. So all 16 of these we're going to divide between 4 people. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. So 16 pies divided between 4 people. How many did Sandy sell to each person? The answer is 4. Claire bought 28 peaches to make pies for the bake sale. She used 7 peaches for each pie. How many pies did Claire make? Claire bought 28 peaches to make pies. She used 7 peaches for each pie. How many pies did Claire make? So we've got 28 peaches, and she's going to make groups of 7, and we're finding out how many pies or how many groups we can make. 28 divided by 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21. 28. There's my 28 peaches. And I divide them. These 7 make 1 pie. These 7 make another pie, another pie, and another pie. And that's where we get our answer of 4. I can check and know it's right because 4 times 7 is 28. So our answer is 4. Number 4, Ava smells dog shampoos. During 10 days, she smelled 40 different shampoos. She smelled the same number of shampoos each day. How many different shampoos did Ava smell each day? So During 10 days, she smelled 40 shampoos. She smelled the same number each day. How many different shampoos did Ava smell each day? So we've got 40 total, and we're going to divide those up between the 10 days. Now the great thing about a dividing by 10 problem is we know when we multiply by 10, we stick a 0 on the end. When we divide by 10, we take the 0 off the end. So I know right away the answer is 4. I can double check by multiplying my two numbers right here, my quotient and my divisor. 4 times 10 is 40. So my answer is 4. Okay. Back side, number 5. Delia's playing an odd and even game with cards. She turns over a card and a number 25 shows. Which is true about 25? Okay, she's playing an odd and even game. And we want to know about the number 25. What is true about 25? Okay, our first choice says it is even. Okay, well, I'm looking at 25, and I know 25 is odd because it ends with a 5. It is even. Nope. Not even going to keep reading on that one. Okay, it is odd. 25 is an odd number because there is a 2 in the tens place. Well, it doesn't matter what number is in the tens place to decide if a number is even and odd. D, it is odd because there's a 5 in the ones place. Okay, there is a 5 in the ones place, and because the 5 is in the ones place, that tells me that this is an odd number. Number 6, which equation is not included in the same set of related facts as 6 times 8 equals 48? Okay, important word here, not included in the same set of related facts, our fact family. 6 times 8 is 48. So I know it's going to have these same family members here. A has 48. Divided by 6 equals 8. That would be in the same family. And I've got 8 times 6 is 48. Yep, they just used the commutative property and switched those two factors. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 48 divided by 16 equals 3. 16 and 3 are not a part of this family. Okay, so my X wins on this problem because this is a not question. So I'm looking for the one that is not in the same family. Number 7, there are 31 girls and 25 boys in the marching band. When the band marches, they are in 7 rows. How many people are in each row? We have 31 girls and 25 boys in the marching band. When the band marches, they are in 7 rows. How many people are in each row? People. So girls and boys. So the first thing I need to do is find out how many people we have. We have 31 girls plus 25 boys. So that means we have 56 people. And those 56 people are divided into 7 rows. So we're doing 56 divided by 7. And I can actually draw them in the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 rows. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay, so 56 divided into 7 rows. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each row. 7 rows this way, 7 this way, and 8 this way. I know that 8 times 7 is 56. So our answer is 8. Number 8, at the Twin Maples Neighborhood Carnival, 63 people play games. They play in groups of 7 people. How many groups are there? At the Twin Maples Neighborhood Carnival, 63 people play games. They play in groups of 7 people. How many groups are there? Well, there are 63 people total, and they are divided up into groups that have 7 in each one. And we want to see how many groups we have. And I can count by 7s until I get to 63. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, and 63. And that's 9. So there are 9 groups. And I know that's right because 9 times 7 equals 63. 9. Knowing our multiple songs and our multiplication facts helps us do division so much easier. In our last question, number 9, one day 6 friends explore 18 blocks of a town. The friends divide the blocks equally. How many blocks does each friend explore? So we have 6 friends, and they're going to go explore 18 blocks of a town. They divide the blocks equally. How many blocks does each friend explore? So we've got 18 total blocks divided up between the 6 friends. 18 divided by 6. And we can solve that by using a related fact and count by 6s. So we get to 18. 6, 12, 18. We get it right there, 3. Okay, 3 times 6 does equal 18, so 18 divided by 6 equals 3. All right, good luck on your test today.